Hello guys, welcome to your 39th C++ tutorial. I know it's been long since my previous tutorial, but today in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you about temporary instances. Well, temporary instances are essentially, they are used to save memory. They are created, then used, and after use they are destroyed so that memory is saved. It's pretty useful, requires not much of coding, so let's begin with it. So I create a class, let's name it test, and let me get that alignment correct. Okay, now I should create some functions right now. So let us begin. So I first create two variables, int I comma a comma b. Let's name them a comma b, and then I create some public functions. Public, let me make a constructor first. Test int I comma int j. There we go. And what this does is sets a equal to I and b equal to j. There we go. So our constructor is finished. Then after this I create another function, void print, which essentially just outputs a and b, those two variables. Okay, so this is what I will be doing. So I'll just be creating a test object as always and pass in 1 comma 2 as the parameters for the constructor. Sets a and b to 1 and 2, and then I call the function ob.print. I think we have some error here, that's why it did not pop up. Let's see, when I compile it, it should come up. No, printed it out. I should make a space here, or just give an endl. That should be easier. Till now I have not told you anything about the temporary instances, so it worked out. There were no errors. Sorry for that. Should have more confidence in myself. So anyway, class test int a b and public test constructor, you pass in these two parameters, it gets print out, yada yada yada. You know this, there's no problem with this. So what about the temporary instance? Well, temporary instance is one where you don't create an object. Pretty cool, huh? Test, and then you pass in these two parameters, 1 comma 2, and then dot print. Let's see if it works. There we go. It does the same thing, but we did not create an object. Remember this, we did not create an object for this. This we have done without creating an object, thus memory space is saved. It is not like a temporary instance is created actually, and this temporary instance is just used for this function here, print. And then when the print function is finished, it is seen that this temporary instance does not have any work. The compiler or the computer sees to that, and then, well, the temporary instance is destroyed. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned.